everyone, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a pastel makeup tutorial for y'all and I am so excited to be getting into this tutorial. This is something that I have been wanting to do for quite some time, so I'm just now getting around to doing it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this tutorial. Alright, so the very first shadow that I'm actually going to use is just the yellow shadow from the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. This is the palette that we are going to be using today for the eyes, and I'm actually going to be applying the yellow to the inner half of my lid using this little flat shader brush. Alrighty, now I'm going to be taking the pretty teal blue color right there from the palette, and I'm going to apply that to the middle half of my lid using the same flat shader brush. Taking the pastel purple from this palette, I am going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid and into my crease using this tiny little crease brush. Now I'm just going to take my blending brush and blend that shadow out. Alrighty, using the same three shades that we just used on the upper half of my eyes, I'm going to use those shadows to do my lower lash line with. And to apply those shadows, I'm just going to be using this tiny little angled brush. Alrighty, so now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. Okay, and now I'm going to apply a Kiss false eyelash to my eye, and these are in the style Shy. Alrighty, and now to warm up my face, I'm going to be using my Beauty Big Bangs bronzer and highlighter duo, and I'm just going to be using the bronzer in this little duo, and this is in the shade 03. And now for blush, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty blush in the shade Gilded. This is just in a little cheek palette that had a bronzer and a highlighter in it that I used up completely. And to apply the blush, I'm just going to be using this Profusion blush brush. Alrighty, and last but certainly not least for face is highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. highlighting palette, and I'm going to be using the pink highlighter in this palette. It is a really pretty light pink color, and it's not bright or obnoxious or anything like that, and it's going to go beautifully with this eye look today. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. And then last but certainly not least is lips, and for lips, I'm just going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Lash lipstick in the shade Bare It All, and this is just a beautiful nude color, so it's going to go perfect with this eye look today. And I've really been trying to use up this lipstick, so that's why I've been using it a ton in tutorials. Y'all, that is it for my pastel makeup tutorial. I really hope you all did enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Bye! Thanks for watching.